If you're a DIY designer, a content creator, a brand builder, or a boss babe building your empire from your laptop or your phone, this is for you. Canva's Visual Suite 2.0 just landed. And let me be super clear, this isn't your average update. This is a full-blown glow-up where creativity meets productivity. Now, in case we've just met, I'm JD, your go-to personal brand strategist and designer, and I've just started to play with these new Canva features, and wow. My mind is blown. Canva didn't just level up, they changed the entire game. And frankly, I'm scared for all the other major big players like Microsoft, Adobe, ChatGPT, Notion, and even Google Suite. Because Canva is now giving us next level speed, smarts, and seamless design that anyone can use. No tech or design degree required. I'm talking design, data, and AI tools all merged together in one sleek, intuitive workspace. You can now say goodbye to having to use a bunch of different software tools for your business because Canva has officially made it a no-brainer. And real talk, I've been in the branding and marketing world for 22 plus years, so I've seen the trends, the tools, and the tech, but this is a moment. And I've saved the juiciest, most jaw-dropping feature for last. So stick around because you don't want to miss a thing. Before we dive in, I just want to mention this is part 2 of my Canva updates following Canva Create 2025. So if you missed part 1, I did a full deep dive into some of the hottest updates like Magic Write, Canva AI, Canva Code, advanced editing features, and more. When you're done here, remember to go and binge on part 1. It's packed with the features you need to start using if you want to build your online business the smarter way. But today, we're diving into even more fire features that Canva just dropped, and trust me, the ones I'm about to show you, chef's kiss. Okay, let's talk about one of the most unexpected but genius features Canva just added: Canva Sheets and charts. Yep, you can now build fully functional spreadsheets inside of Canva, and not just boring rows and columns. I'm talking aesthetic, on-brand data. Canva now lets you create spreadsheets natively inside the platform with drag and drop charts, beautiful formatting, and data visualization tools. Canva Sheets integrates seamlessly with all your other designs, including your presentations, your websites, your sales pages, and the list goes on. No more ugly Excel spreadsheets. This is perfect for you to track your money, track your expenses, to organize your social media calendars. Also perfect for launch planners, digital product sales trackers, KPI dashboards, client reporting, financial planning and overviews, and the list goes on. And before you know it, you're going to be looking like a data queen as you dominate your industry. So here's how to use it step by step. Just follow along as I create something real quick for you. Step 1, open a new sheet. So from your Canva homepage, go to the left-hand panel and click on Sheets or search Sheets in the top search bar. Select Canva Sheets. It'll open a brand new spreadsheet for you. Step 2 is start entering your data. It works just like Excel or Google Sheets. Type in your titles, numbers, metrics, etc. You can add rows, columns, and format text like bold, color, center align, Canva style. You can also drag and drop your images directly inside of your Canva sheet. This is awesome if you are planning your social media calendar or if you're using Canva Sheets to track your expenses. So you can just drag and drop your receipts just like this. And if you have no idea about how to design in Canva, I'll link my 88-page Canva guide in the description below. And I'll also link my Canva tutorial so you can watch this after this video. Alrighty, let's now insert a chart. So highlight your data, go to chart, choose your chart type. Do you want a bar, a pie, a line chart, stack chart, whatever suits your data? It will auto-generate a chart right into your Canva sheet. And voila, just like that, you can customize the chart design. So click on the chart and use the panel to change colors, fonts, styles, and even brand it to match your brand kit. You can copy the chart from your sheet and paste it directly into a presentation, a document, a website, or an Instagram graphic. No exporting, no screenshots, no mess. And you can always refresh it every time you need to present a new presentation or give a document to a client, or update your website. This makes it so easy to create launch overviews, revenue reports, monthly trackers, and client dashboards, all in one system. And here's a pro tip. You can even collaborate in real time, just like Google Sheets, but inside of Canva. So your team, VA, or business partner can update data while you're designing around it. How cool is that? Okay, so we've already talked about Canva Sheets and Canva charts, but what I wanted to mention is that within Canva Sheets, there are also magic AI tools, all right? So feature one is the ability to create formulas, okay? So this is a feature called Magic Formulas. So if you got a formula in mind but hate to try to put it together yourself, just describe it in words and Magic Formulas will write it for you. Ta-da! Just like that. Now, I already spoke a little bit about magic charts, but magic charts will allow you to select your data and create visualizations instantly, okay? No chart drama, no guesswork. This is where we take boring stats or spreadsheets and turn them into sexy, scroll-stopping, brand-aligned visuals that make your numbers pop. So whether you're sharing survey results, business reports, or you just want to make numbers look sexy, this is a total game changer for coaches, creators, and CEOs. All you need to do is search magic charts, and then you can drop in your data. Literally, you can just drag and drop your Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file, and then you can pick your chart style. And here you can customize colors, fonts, layout, and you can even add animations if you're feeling extra fancy. And then you can just export it and post it like a pro. That's it. Now, the last feature I wanted to mention is Magic Insights. And Magic Insights is basically this incredible tool that allows you to scan your sheet and pulls key takeaways automatically. All right. So it basically summarizes data for you. I mean, how cool is that? This could potentially be my new favorite tool. Boom, all the magic's right there. Okay, let's talk about karaoke captions in Canva. Finally, this amazing feature has dropped. Karaoke captions are automatically timed captions that appear word by word as you speak, like a karaoke screen. You see them everywhere these days on social media. So they help make your videos more engaging, easier to follow, and more accessible to a wider audience, especially for those who are watching without sound. This feature auto-generates captions from your audio, times them perfectly to your voice, no manual syncing required, allows full customization, colors, fonts, animations, etc. And it's perfect for Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Stories, and all your online courses, etc. So here's a step-by-step on how to create your karaoke captions in Canva using this new Visual Suite 2.0 feature. Step one, upload or record your video. So open Canva and create a new video project. Upload your existing video or record directly in Canva using the record yourself option. Now, step two is click on your video and select captions. Once your video is on the timeline, click on it. In the top toolbar, look for the captions option and click it. If you don't see it, make sure you've updated to the latest version of Canva Visual Suite 2.0. All right, now it's time to auto-generate your captions, which is step three. So Canva will automatically transcribe your speech and generate captions. It will also sync them with your voice. Again, no manual timing needed. Just give it a few seconds depending on your video length. Step four, it's now time to choose your karaoke style. Select the karaoke animation option because this makes the words highlight one by one as they're spoken, which is my absolute favorite. Now, step five, customize the captions. Like I mentioned before, you can change fonts, size, color, background, and even the animation style to match your brand vibe. If you want it bolder, add shadows or highlights, you can do so. And if you want an on-brand feel, my personal favorite, use your brand kit fonts and colors. Lastly is the cherry on top, step 6. This is your chance to preview and then export your video with your karaoke captions. Hit the play button to preview your karaoke style captions in action. When you're happy with everything, click download it as an MP4 video, and you're ready to post it to Reels, your TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Stories, or wherever else you want it to live. And that's it. Okay, now let's talk about some more magic. Canva's a magic switch where you can now translate or transform your design. Canva's magic switch just became every content creator's dream tool. One post can now be in 7 different languages. One design can now be transformed to every platform just in seconds. Let's say you made the perfect post. Now you want to share it in Spanish, French, or Arabic, and you want to resize it for Reels, TikToks, and Pinterest, or you want to transform it into a blog post or a LinkedIn article. So now you can. You don't need to recreate anything. Canva's magic switch does it all for you. It translates into languages, resizes for every platform, transforms into every document. This is a next level repurposing without all the headache. Now you can try Magic Switch today and turn one design into 10 without zero effort. And you can comment below which language you're translating to first. I'd love to know. Now, if you are wanting to use Magic Switch, it's not showing up on every single account just yet. So if you want to access it, once you're in your design, you can just click on Resize, located in the top menu bar. But maybe for you, you can already see it as Magic Switch, whichever it is showing up in your account. If your account is still showing Resize, just click on that, scroll down, and you'll be able to see Magic Switch. From there, under Magic Switch, you can choose Translate. So you'll see a very long list of different languages to choose from. And you'll also be able to choose whether to apply the translation to the current design, certain pages, or create a copy. And then just click Translate. And to transform into a doc, go under Magic Switch. You can also choose transform your doc to transform to a different format, like article. Once you've decided how you'd like to transform your design, just click on transform into doc, and boom, there it is. Up next, we have AI-powered video tools inside the new Visual Suite 2.0, and it's looking pretty good. Now you can edit, design, and publish videos all in one place. No fancy tech skills required. So all you need to do is open a new Canva design, choose video, upload your clips, or use Canva's stock library, and then you can let AI help you edit by trimming, transitioning, and styling your videos. And like I mentioned, you can adjust colors, brightness, and contrast. You can add your text, animations, and graphics. And then once you're done, just hit export, and there you go. This is so perfect for coaches, content creators, course creators, business owners, anyone who wants to build their personal brand through scroll-stopping video without all the tech drama. So try it out. Let me know if it elevates your video game Canva style. And remember how I promised you the most jaw-dropping feature for last? Well, it's time to reveal the big secret. So are you ready? Because this right here will completely blow you away. So introducing Canva Websites 2.0. Now you can build a whole website in Canva, zero coding, zero stress, and a whole lot of wow factor. This right here is giving me real web designer energy without the tech headache. Although if you wanted to, you could still code using Canva code, as I mentioned in my last video. All right, so now with Canva Websites 2.0, there is new animation effects to bring your pages to life. Think smooth fades and scroll triggering magic. There's also navigation menus, like I mentioned, and mobile responsive design. So your website looks like the bomb.com on any devices. And then you've got one-click publishing, so no hosting nightmares, just publish and go. And then, of course, you can use your brand kit that's fully integrated so your site stays totally on brand. So all you need to do is go to Canva, search for website in the search toolbar, and then you can just choose a template that matches your vibe, whether it's a portfolio style website, whether it's for a corporate business, an event, whatever it is, find something that's completely your vibe. And then once you've selected your template, you're going to need to customize it and design, right? That way you can edit text, images, and colors just like any other Canva template. So this is your chance to use your brand kit to stay consistent and cohesive across your entire website. Here, you're going to be able to add sections like about, services, and things like that. If you are selling courses, maybe you have a designated course area, and then Of course, you can click Add Page to build a scrollable layout, use the navigation bar to let visitors jump to different sections of your website like you would a normal website. And then, of course, you can click on Animate to add scroll effects and micro animations for visual impact. And don't forget, it's important to optimize for mobile, right? So you can hit the preview button and toggle on mobile view to see what it's going to look like on your mobile phone, or as Americans would say, your cell phone. Make sure everything stacks nicely on mobile before you finalize everything and publish your website, which is on the top right corner. You also get the option to choose between a free Canva domain or a custom domain or password protected link. Once you're all set, just hit publish and boom, your site is live. And there you have it. I have now given you a part 2 to all the Canva updates. I hope you loved it. I know you're going to thank me later, so you're welcome. All right, so if you found today's video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want me to go even deeper on any of these incredible features, also let me know in the comments below, and drop the word Canva if you want free access to my 88-page Canva guide. When you're done here, remember to go and binge on part 1. It's packed with the features you need to start using if you want to build your online business the smarter way. And I will see you next time.